Welcome to Konch, your trusted partner for seamless transcription. In this video, we'll show you how to select the perfect plan for your needs in just a few simple steps. First, sign up on our website at konch.ai. Creating an account is quick and easy, giving you instant access to all our features. Once you're signed up, head over to the pricing page. Here's where the magic begins. Take a moment to explore the various plans we offer, tailored to meet different needs. Basic plan ideal if you're just starting out. It includes everything from the free plan, plus 1,440 minutes of transcription per year, unlimited transcript translation into 74 languages, the ability to export transcripts, and no limit on file upload size. Pro plan perfect for professionals or teams needing more. It includes everything in the basic plan, plus 3,600 minutes of transcription per year, the ability to upgrade to precision human transcription, access to KonchMate, our AI meeting assistant, and priority support to ensure a seamless experience. Enterprise plan. This is a fully customizable option, designed to meet your specific needs. Whether it's higher usage, tailored features, or custom pricing, we'll work with you to create the ideal package. Pay-as-you-go plan perfect for occasional users or those with unpredictable needs. This plan is flexible pay only when you need it, whether it's a one-time project or sporadic usage month to month. Found the plan that suits your needs? Great! Select it, complete the payment, and start transcribing your files right away. It's that simple. Before choosing a plan, here are a few tips to help you select the right one. Select your minutes, choose the number of transcription minutes you require per month. You can adjust this later if needed. Flexible pricing. Our plans offer flexible pricing based on your selected minutes, ensuring you only pay for what you need. Upgrade. Anytime, easily upgrade your plan to accommodate more minutes as your transcription needs grow. Ready to take your transcription to the next level? Visit konch.ai today and get started. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. And if you ever have questions or need assistance, our support team is here to help, and will resolve your queries as soon as possible. See you in the next video.